Good morning, children. Today we have social studies class from 7th. We are getting more information about new kings and kingdoms. You got some of the valuable information from this lesson. In previous class, we studied about some of the information of Muhammad Ghazni. He belongs to the Sultan family and his ruler of the Afghanistan. And another person, Muhammad Ghori, he also belongs to the Sultan family. And we got information about the Chahanamas or Chauhas. Chahanamas. Prithviraj Chauhan is there. He is a powerful king. He has ruled Chahanamas dynasty. Today we have learned about the Cholas. They are a very powerful kings in southern part of India. Look, children, the Cholas are given Muttariyars. These are some of the kings. They are occupied some of the region at the Kaveri Delta. They are occupied some of the region at the Kaveri Delta. They belongs to they are a subordinates of Pallava kings. You know very well about the Pallava kings. They are one of the powerful kings in India in ancient days. So, Muttariyars, subordinates of Pallava kings, and here given Vijayalaya is one of the king belongs to the ancient chief of the Pallavas, not Pallavas, Cholas. He was belonged to the ancient chief of the Cholas. That is region Varayur. Vijayalaya is a ancient chief of the Chola king. He was captured Muttarayur in the middle of the 9th century. He captured place belongs to the Muttarayur. Where is it? It is at the exactly Kaveri Delta. It was occupied by the Vijayalaya. When children? 9th century, middle of 9th century. So he is a very powerful king. He belongs to the ancient chief of the Cholas. Next one, Raja 1. Next category is a powerful Chola ruler. Who's that one? Raja 1. He is a powerful Chola ruler. He was captured the Pandyan and Pallava territories to the south and north parts. Raja 1 captured some of the parts like the Pandyan and Pallava territories to the south and north parts. Look, children, it is a southern part of India. Already here given one part shade with the red color. So this place we call as a Chola kingdom. So this is ruled by the some of the great kings Vijayalaya and Rajaraja I. So it is a powerful kingdom in ancient days. It is a powerful kingdom in ancient days. Look, children. The next person, Rajendra I. He is a son of Rajaraja I. He is a powerful king. Ganga Valley, Sri Lanka, and South East Asian countries occupied by the Rajendra I. Rajendra I is a son of Rajaraja I. He was occupied some of the great regions like Ganga Valley, Sri Lanka, and South East Asian countries. Then also he need navy. So he was developed navy. So many regions occupied through the navy. That's why he was developed. He put interest to develop navy. Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple built by the Rajendra, Rajaraja and Rajendra I. One great, it is a famous temple. It is at the Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Temple belongs to the like this. It is in the Gangaikonda Cholapuram. It was built by Rajaraja I and Rajendra I. Look, children, this is the temple at Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Notice the way in which the roof tops also looked at the elaborate stone sculptures used to decorate the outer walls. So it is a very nice and famous temple. It is in the Gangaikonda and Cholapuram. It was built by Rajaraja I and Rajendra I. They belongs to the Chola kings. The big temples of Tanjavur and Gangaikonda Cholapuram built by Rajaraja and Rajendra are architectural and sculptural marvels. So they built this kind of temples are there. This is some of the information of the kings of Cholas. Like they are Vijayalaya. He is a ancient chief of the Chola. Next one, Rajaraja I is a next king and he is a powerful king. And Rajendra I is a powerful king. He was son of Rajaraja I.